of unveiling one of the most unconventional and ambitious consumer drones the industry has seen in years. A product that many enthusiasts believe fundamentally reshapes what an FPV drone can be. Because what was initially rumored to be a straightforward successor has instead emerged, through a series of leaks, regulatory filings, and insider confirmations, as an entirely new category-defying platform often referred to as the DJI Avata 360. A drone that blends high-speed FPV performance with professional-grade 360-degree video capture in a single compact airframe, creating massive buzz across the drone community, content creator circles, and tech-focused YouTube channels searching for the next breakthrough topic to rank around. Early leaked promotional imagery suggested something familiar, but subsequent confirmations from multiple well-known industry leakers, followed by detailed FCC documentation, revealed a far more radical design built around dual large sensors, a substantially upgraded battery system, and, most importantly, a mechanically rotating camera module that allows the drone to instantly switch between immersive 8K 360-degree recording and traditional forward-facing FPV shooting, effectively turning one aircraft into two creative tools and positioning DJI directly against specialized 360 camera drones while still appealing to hardcore FPV pilots who value speed, agility, and control. Unlike previous FPV models that focused solely on raw flight performance or incremental camera upgrades, this new platform is clearly designed for hybrid creators who want cinematic flexibility, post-production freedom, and cutting-edge imaging technology without carrying multiple drones, and that alone makes it one of the most talked-about drone leaks of the year, especially as it arrives during a period of heightened regulatory pressure and market uncertainty for DJI in key regions. From a pricing perspective, the Avata 360 is expected to land well above the entry-level FPV category, with estimates ranging from roughly $1,000 to around $1,300 depending on configuration, bundles, and accessories, which places it firmly in the premium consumer drone segment. Yet when broken down component by component, the cost becomes easier to justify, because dual high-resolution sensors capable of sustained 8K capture, a precision-engineered rotating camera housing, enhanced onboard processing for real-time stitching and stabilization, and a higher-capacity intelligent battery all contribute to a bill of materials that goes far beyond what earlier FPV drones offered. And when compared with competing 360-degree aerial platforms that often exceed similar price ranges while remaining locked into a single shooting mode, DJI's approach appears less like aggressive pricing and more like strategic positioning aimed at dominating versatility rather than specialization. The imaging system itself is arguably the most transformative element, as the drone's dual sensor setup enables full spherical capture at ultra-high resolution, allowing creators to reframe shots after the flight, generate dynamic camera movements that would traditionally require multiple synchronized drones, and extract conventional cinematic angles from a single pass, all while maintaining the option to rotate the camera forward and fly in a classic FPV configuration that supports high frame rate recording for slow motion, wide fields of view for immersive action shots, and DJI's well-known electronic stabilization, making it a powerful tool for YouTubers, filmmakers, travel vloggers, action sports creators, and commercial operators who want maximum creative output from every battery cycle. Speaking of batteries, flight endurance is another area where this drone signals DJI's priorities, as filings point to a noticeably larger battery capacity compared to previous FPV models, translating into longer flight times even with the added power demands of dual sensors and 8K processing, a critical factor for real-world shoots where setup time, location access, and lighting conditions often limit the number of usable flights. And when contrasted with other 360-degree drones that sacrifice endurance for weight savings, DJI's decision to favor sustained airtime underscores its focus on professional usability rather than purely regulatory convenience. Weight-wise, the drone remains above the threshold that would exempt it from registration in many regions, a trade-off that clearly reflects the company's emphasis on performance, sensor size, and battery life over ultra-light travel friendliness. Yet for experienced pilots and serious creators, this is often an acceptable compromise, especially when paired with advanced transmission systems. Upgraded digital links offering extended range and improved signal stability, and compatibility with the latest generation of goggles and controllers designed to deliver lower latency, higher clarity, and more intuitive control, all of which contribute to a more immersive and reliable flying experience. Safety and automation also receive a substantial boost, as this platform integrates a far more comprehensive obstacle sensing array than earlier FPV-focused designs, enabling smarter tracking modes, safer subject following, and increased confidence when flying complex paths or maintaining focus on a moving target. Features that expand the drone's appeal beyond pure manual flying and into semi-autonomous cinematic workflows that many creators increasingly rely on. Perhaps the most dramatic aspect of this launch, however, is its timing, as DJI appears to be accelerating the release in response to looming regulatory deadlines that could significantly impact its ability to sell new products in certain markets, making this drone not only a technological statement but also a strategic one, potentially cementing its position before access becomes more restricted. And that context adds an extra layer of intrigue and urgency for buyers, reviewers, and YouTube audiences following every leak and update. Ultimately, the comparison between this new platform and existing FPV drones highlights a clear divergence in philosophy, with traditional models remaining excellent choices for pilots focused purely on acrobatics, racing, and cost efficiency, while this new hybrid design targets creators who demand adaptability, future-ready features, and the ability to experiment with emerging content formats like immersive video, virtual reality playback, and advanced reframing techniques. And for those users, the higher price point may be less of a barrier and more of an investment in creative flexibility, making the Avata 360 not just another drone release but a potential inflection point in how consumer drones are designed, marketed, and used in the evolving landscape of aerial content creation, YouTube optimization, cinematic storytelling, and next-generation FPV innovation.